friends. Bill and Ben are a shameless pair. I meant to write about mainline engines and gave the twins a treat by letting them into the first story, but I couldn't keep them in order. Before I knew it, they crept into the others. They even wanted me to change the book and make it about them, but I have been very firm. I am still calling it Mainline Engines. That will serve Bill and Ben right for ragging poor Gordon so disgracefully. He hasn't gotten over it yet. The author. The Diseasel. Bill and Ben are tank engines who live at a port on Edward's Line. Each has 4 wheels, a tiny chimney and dome, and a small squat cab. They are kept busy pulling trucks for ships in the harbour and engines on the main line. The trucks are filled with china clay dug from the nearby hills. China clay is important. It is needed for pottery, paper, paint, plastics, and many other things. One morning, they arranged some trucks and went away for more. They returned to find them all gone. They were most surprised. Their drivers examined a patch of oil. "That's a diesel," they said, wiping the rails clean. It's a what all?" asked Bill. "A Diseasel, I think," replied Ben. "There's a notice about them in our shed." "Ah, I remember. Coughs and sneezels spread diseasels. Who had a cough in his smoke box yesterday?" "Fireman cleaned it, didn't he?" "Yes, but the dust made him sneezle, so there you are. It's your fault the Diseasel came." "It isn't. It is." Stop arguing, you two," laughed their drivers. "Come on, let's go and rescue our trucks." Bill and Ben were aghast. "But he'll magic us away like the trucks." Their drivers laughed. "He won't magic us. We'll more likely magic him. Listen, he doesn't know you're twins, so we'll take your names and numbers off, and then this is what we'll do." Bill and Ben chuckled with delight. "Come on, let's go," they said eagerly. Creeping into Edward's yard, they found the diesel on a siding with the missing trucks. Ben hid behind, but Bill went boldly alongside and stood facing the diesel on the point leading out to the main line. The diesel looked up. Do you mind?" he asked. "Yes," said Bill. "I do. I want my trucks, please." "These are mine," said the diesel. "Go away." Bill pretended to be frightened. "You're a big bully," he whimpered. "You'll be sorry." He moved over the points and ran back, and hid behind the trucks on the other side. Ben now came forward. The diesel had to stop suddenly. "Truck stealer!" hissed Ben. He ran away too, and Bill took his place. This went on and on until the diesel's eyes nearly popped out. "Stop!" he begged. "You're making me giddy." The 2 engines gazed at him side by side. He shut his eyes. "Are there 2 of you?" he whispered. "Yes, we're twins." "I might have known it," he groaned. Just then, Edward bustled up. Bill and Ben, why are you playing here? We're not playing, protested Bill. We're rescuing our trucks, squeaked Ben. What do you mean? Even you don't come in our yard without asking, and you only take the trucks we give you. But they both squeaked indignantly. This Diseasel didn't even ask. He just took the lot. There's no cause to be rude, said Edward severely. This engine is a Metropolitan Vickers Diesel Electric Type 2. The twins were abashed. We're sorry, Mr. Never mind, he smiled. Call me Boko. I'm sorry I didn't understand about the trucks. That's all right then, said Edward. Off you go, Bill and Ben. Fetch Boko's trucks, and then you can take these. The twins scampered away. Edward smiled. There's no real harm in them, he said, but they're maddening at times. Boko chuckled. Maddening, he said, is the word.